guys, this is Dean from 5150. Today we'll be installing the new KC Gravity LED headlights in our 2006 Jeep Wrangler. This should be a fairly easy install, fairly quick. We'll be using a T15 torque. These headlights are rated IP68. The low beams is 1,260 lumens, the high beams 3,666 lumens. They draw 18 watts on low beams and the high beams are 22 watts. So let's go get this started. Currently we have the Wrangler headlights installed in the Jeep LJ. I don't believe these are factory. The lights are terribly dim. You can hardly see driving. Patrick's going to go ahead and start installing. He's going to start on the driver's side and then we'll work our way to the passenger side. We'll be using a T15 torque. There are 3 screws that hold the headlight ring to the headlight bucket. This install should be similar either if it's an LJ or TJ. Once the headlight ring's removed, there's a headlight retainer ring. This uses T15 bolts also. There's 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We need to remove them to remove the headlight. That's just the ring that claps it to the headlight bucket. All that. Single connector. This is the H4 type connector, just 3 terminals, 3 lights. The KC headlight housing has these alignment marks that will align to the headlight bucket. This is the H4 connector that will connect to the headlight wiring harness. So once you get the first screw in there, it makes it a little easier. Now we're going to reinstall the headlight ring.
Wow, those look a lot better too.
And wow, those look a lot better. Okay, that finishes up the driver's side, so let's go tackle the passenger side. Just making sure it's seated in there and aligned correctly. Really sorry about that wind, guys. Our horse is inside the barn too, it's so windy out. Maybe we can get her out here and I can introduce you guys to her. Like I said, it's really easy. Guys, this is a real basic install. Should only take you 10 to 15 minutes. Okay guys, we installed the KC Gravity LED headlights. Tonight we'll finish up the video with adjusting the new headlights. That's Pepsi. Hey, Pepsi girl. Say hello. How you doing, girl? Huh? Yeah, you're a good girl, aren't you? Oh yeah. All right. Talk to you later, Pepsi. Need to adjust the new headlights we just put in the LJ. Patrick put that on the ground. There's a level. This is a headlight adjuster. I'm going to verify it again. Push it to the ground. So we're looking for that level. So we're trying to get that level bubble in between those two lines. You can see it moving towards the front. Okay, we're right about there is where it should be. Okay, let's do the other side. I guess we could do this with the headlights off, but am I blocking your view? I'm just looking at the camera. Okay. You can see the bubble starting to come out in between the lines. There we go, getting closer. You see, just want to get that bubble between. There we go. Okay, that looks pretty good. So we got it adjusted. There's the low beams. Looks pretty good. Can you put the high beams on, Patrick? And there's the high beams. Okay. Can you put your low beams back on? Low beams and high beams. Okay, you want to put your LED light on, and that's with the off-road light. Cool. Okay, guys, I think we got this project done. Pretty easy install. We're real happy with the brightness of the lights. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching.